Hello everyone, this is Mark. In the previous video, we started exploring element 621 of the ISO 9001:2015 standard. We learned how to align quality objectives with the quality policy and how to make objectives so that they are measurable. Today we will talk about the rest of the requirements of element 621. We will learn how to link quality objectives with applicable requirements and conformity of products and services, and how to monitor, communicate, update, and document our objectives. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to see our new releases, and stay to the end, as I will show you a link to an excellent context matrix that will help you to address numerous requirements of the standard. Let's start with the applicable requirements. In one of the previous videos, we discussed element 4.2 of the standard, related to the needs and expectations of interested parties. To address those and many other requirements of the standard, we created a context matrix that refers to the requirements of the interested parties. For example, owners require a return on investment. Customers require product quality. Regulators require compliance with particular laws, etc. So these are the applicable requirements, and they relate to the conformity of products and services. Now let's talk about how we can monitor our objectives. When we flip through the pages of the context matrix, we will find our scorecard. The scorecard documents targets and performance of the objectives at the defined intervals. For example, we documented targets for customer complaints and on-time shipping. We also specified we would monitor performance regarding these objectives monthly. The following two requirements for the quality objectives are simple. We have to communicate and update them. Often companies communicate and update their objectives through the management or operational review processes. Also, frequently businesses display their performance against objectives in production and office areas. We're almost done, folks. The only requirement that is left is to keep our objectives documented. Well, the context matrix itself is the evidence of documentation of the objectives. Looks like we have addressed all the requirements of this clause. Congratulations! This is all for today, guys. In the following video, we will discuss the requirements of element 622 on how to achieve our quality objectives. Meanwhile, do not forget to get a complimentary PDF of our context matrix. The link below will take you to the article and the download. Leave me examples of your objectives in the comments below. I would like to see your thoughts on this topic. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. If you wish to learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.